Here's another example of an IVP. I hope you're ready for this.
Certainly.
I'm glad. So, the second derivative of some function x plus 9 times the function is equal to 0 with our initial conditions when t, I need something for a variable there, so when t is pi over 2, x is 3. And when t is pi over 2, x prime, see that's x prime in this one, x prime equals negative 2. So that should give us the two conditions we need to find the parameters a and b. We probably in a previous example worked out that this function x was a solution for this differential equation. I think that was in the previous lesson. But you know, take a couple derivatives of this. You get the first derivative, x prime would be 3a, negative 3a sine of 3t plus 3b cosine of 3t, right? So that's our x prime. But our conditions don't say that. It says x when we got t at pi over 2 is 3. So we put 3 in for x. And we put, when you put in pi over 2, 3 times pi over 2 is 3 pi over 2. And cosine of 3 pi over 2, everyone should know, is 0.
Certainly.
Of course. So therefore, this whole part of it is 0, and when you put in sine of 3 pi over 2, sorry, I left out that word there. Bear with me for 1 second. I must fix this. Oh, didn't mean to put it on that side. I'm getting closer. There. Now if I can get rid of this. I have almost what I want, except that should be times. Okay, good. Now I got it. I got it. Because this was 0 and this is negative 1. So negative 1 times b is 3, so b is negative 3. Got it. Now, since we know that x prime of pi over 2 is negative 2, the negative 2 equals, here's the derivative of this, so negative 3a sine of 3 times pi over 2. Remember I told you what the derivative of this was. It was negative 3a sine of 3t plus 3b cosine of 3t. So there's that all worked out, and hopefully you can see that all right. And so sine of 3 pi over 2 is we already know that to be negative 1. And cosine of 3 pi over 2, we already know that that's 0. So this part of it's 0. This is negative 1. So we've got 3a equals negative 2. So a equals negative 2/3. So we've got our a and b solved. And I don't think I wrote the solution of this anywhere, but maybe I will. The easy way. So the solution of that will be a was negative 3 and b was 2/3. No, negative 2/3. Sometimes I don't like typing. Oh dear, let's see. Got it in there now. I think that's saying what I wanted to, but it's not saying it in the right place. So I'll tell you what I'll have to do. I'll have to move this other down. There we go. So that's our solution for that one. All right. And I'm happy now. I hope you're happy.
Certainly.
All right.